the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Monday, April 4th. I'm James Spann. Beautiful today, a midweek cold front with a chance of strong storms. And then as the weekend begins, we could be down in the 30s again. So let's go in there and check it out. That's the water vapor satellite view early this morning. A very dry air mass. It'll be a beautiful day today with highs up in the 70s this afternoon. Starting off this day, mostly in the 40s, but look at the 30s up in northeast Alabama. Fort Payne, 36, Gadsden, 38. Our man up at Black Creek, Vic Bell, is reporting 34. He's getting close to freezing. Birmingham at 45, but a big warm-up today. Mid-70s are likely. North of Alabama, freeze warnings for parts of Kentucky and some of the adjacent states. Winter weather advisories for parts of the northeast United States, and out west, some wind issues in Montana, and the danger of wildfires for the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma over into New Mexico. Check the convective outlooks. This is day 2 tomorrow, a marginal risk around Kansas City. And day 3, which is Wednesday and Wednesday night, there is a marginal risk for basically all of Alabama and parts of the adjacent states. And that main issue will be Wednesday night, and we'll dive into the details here in just a moment. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. About 1 inch for North Alabama, lighter amounts to the south. And the bulk of this will be Wednesday night. Other than that, the week should be dry. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run at 1 o'clock today. Ridging in the west, we've got a northwest flow aloft and a beautiful day. Mid-70s with a sunny sky. We note that little clipper-type feature coming through Pennsylvania. And tomorrow, in the wake of that thing, we've got a 1033 high near Detroit. It's going to be a little cooler. Instead of mid-70s, highs drop into the mid-60s. That'll be about a 10-degree drop, but still a nice day with a sunny sky. So Wednesday, here comes our cold front. Surface low again near Detroit. It's 6 o'clock Wednesday evening. That front is down through Little Rock and about Dallas-Fort Worth. And then at 1 a.m. Thursday, a band of showers and thunderstorms coming through. So this is a Wednesday night event. We think the day Wednesday will be dry with a high in the upper 60s. This is the upper look at 1 a.m. Thursday. This is at 500 millibars. You can see a pretty decent trough supporting this. And by golly, there will be a little bit of instability. This is the surface-based Cape at 1 a.m., suggesting it might exceed 1,000 joules per kilogram around here. So certainly that suggests a chance of thunder. This is the storm relative helicity in the lower levels, not overwhelming. But again, that could support organized updrafts. And the STP, the significant tornado parameter, tries to ramp up to about 1 over East Alabama. I don't think tornadoes are going to be a problem here, but it's certainly a case where there could be some storms with gusty winds and maybe some small hail. So just keep in mind Wednesday night, the risk of a few strong storms. And you always have to watch these in early April. We know that. And then Thursday, during the day, it's out of here. The sky becoming sunny. Again, mid-60s are likely. Friday, pretty good cold air advection. We might stay in the 50s all day Friday. A good north wind, tight gradient there, and maybe a few sprinkles up in the Tennessee Valley. But for now, we're going to leave it partly to mostly sunny where we are. And then Saturday, as the weekend begins, a cold morning, but we warm up into the upper 50s to near 60, and that's pretty far below average for this time of the year. The lows coming off the NAM are showing upper 20s and low 30s around here at daybreak Saturday. And again, that's if we can get the wind calm. So again, growers will just have to watch this. And a decent chance this is the last time we'll be showing you these kind of numbers until maybe sometime in October. But again, just potential for some frost problems and a freeze issue for the colder spots Saturday morning. Sunday, the sky will be sunny and the high should be around 70 as we start to warm up. And a week from today, Monday the 11th, troughing to the west, a surface low near Tulsa. We'll have to watch for strong storms with that. And then the following day, that batch of storms blows in here on Tuesday, April 12th. This is the end of the forecast period. The middle of next week, Wednesday, April 13th, big trough in the western states, but we are dry and pleasant if this works out. These are the temperature anomalies April 11th through April 17th, a little above average here. And again, the numbers, you can see the spike down in the 30s Saturday, Other than that, things don't look too bad. With out there toward mid-month, highs mostly in the 70s and lows mostly in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. And if you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.